The electric pressure washer delivers an impressive water flow of 2.5 gallons per minute, making it an efficient tool for tackling stubborn dirt and grime on various surfaces. With 4 quick connect nozzles and a high-performance foam cannon, this power washer offers versatility for different cleaning tasks, from intense power washing to gentle rinsing. Its user-friendly design includes a 20-foot hose and long power cord, providing ample reach and flexibility to clean large areas without constantly repositioning the unit. The dual-wheel design and anti-tipping base enhance mobility and stability, allowing for easy maneuverability across different terrains during cleaning sessions. This compact and lightweight pressure washer is designed for convenient storage, fitting easily into small spaces while keeping all accessories organized and within reach. By using high-pressure water efficiently, this eco-friendly machine conserves water and energy, offering a sustainable choice for cleaning homes, patios, and vehicles.